What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. On my way to the Citadel. I'm doing this because I'm driving, because I think I'm going to get there right at 10 o'clock. And those of you guys that have seen my videos, things happen very quick. So as soon as I park my car, I need to run in. So yeah, let's go see what's up. Let's go see if I can find something. See, this is why I did the intro in the car, because look at the line. Holy crap. Huge freaking line. Huge freaking line, damn. All right, literally seconds after I got in line, letting everybody in. All right, let's go look around, see if I can find anything amongst this huge crowd. Of course, we gotta see if they got anything. Nope, 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 nope. Do they not even have any sales here at all? What? Oh, it's 20% off. Everybody else been having 40% off, 20% off here. That's the deal. And I know at East LA, I know they got a better deal. Holy crap. This is their heat wall. I don't know if they even give discounts. I don't think they give discounts on this stuff. We're gonna catch the heat wall in a few minutes. I need to look around here first. Let's look around here. Air Max 90 size 12, $130 for these. God damn, that's a lot, dude. What the hell? Throw those back, especially with only 20% off. Blazers, I don't even know what size. Oh, 10.5, go for $85. Did talk to one of the workers. He said they had the Kyrie low 5s, I think, for way cheap. So I asked him if they had any more sizes. He's looking into it. Kyrie low 14 banks go for retail? What the hell? I'm just roaming around size 9. Going for way too much. KDs, KD 14, size 13 go for $130. Just crazy because the prices here are way higher than almost any other spot. $120 for these bad boys. I know Mike Rich was looking for one of these his size. All right, the worker told me they got the KD low 5s out here. He said there was a pair that was like $30 or something. So I'm looking for that right now. I'm looking. We've been seeing a plethora of these bad boys. 110, 20% off. Okay, it's like $90. 90, actually a little under 90. That's not bad. Not bad. And then size 10, look at that. Obviously, the lower price is usually the ones. I would definitely ask them to check that one. I'm just looking around everywhere. You got Prestos going for $90. Blazer cords, SB Blazer cords. Retail, really? These are going for retail, $85. These are size 10.5. Checking out the big sizes for the big feet gang. $95 for the Witness 6s. Damn good. Prices are high today. Presto size 14. Now we're getting some decent sizes, but you have to go to 14. What the hell? Okay, I guess they got them in size 12 as well, same price. Not really seen too much. This might be a quicker vlog. The Nyjah 3s. What I did make a rookie mistake. Here you also have to check the aisles real quick. This is where I found the Air Max 97s for what, $50, $40, something like that. I feel like they got those right here for $120, which is freaking insane. Not really seeing much else though. All right, back to checking out the clearance section. I guess the heat wall now. But yeah, you got the ugly ducklings right here. The material on these are just amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Not a big fan of the colorway, but dude, these are just ridiculous. The Air Max ones, whenever it's a premium, they be using like some fantastic materials. Like these are fire just because of that. Some 7s I ain't never seen before. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, grade school, I guess. Air Max 97s. I don't know what the price is. I don't think it's free. I tried that a while back. I was like, hey, can I get that for free? It says 0. That's what you guys advertise. And they're like, nah, it doesn't work that way. Okay. So yeah, $110 for those. Retail on both of those. Got some Air Max 90s with that nice leather on it. Man, this is a Gore-Tex, go for $160. Jordan 1 low, $110. Makes it way easier with the price on it. French Blues, but that is a youth 7Y. Got these right here. These are some nice materials. But yeah, this retail though, I'm good on that. I think this is supposed to be like the size 8s, look, size 11s. This is just a zoo. So many people here, $130 for these. And I'm still checking because, man, you just never know what you're gonna find. Just not finding the craziest stuff here today, though. They're showing 165 for these, man. Wondering if they mismarked that one. That one of the Jordan 6. I wonder if they mismarked it. I don't know. Yeah, $60 for these bad boys, Base Trail 2s. All right, I'm giving up, you guys. There really isn't that much in the clearance section today. Look at this, like, just not much. Let's go check out the aisles. Checking out the Jordan section right. Max Horas right here. Couple of Hydros. Been seeing these for quite some time now. Out to 3 lows. Jordan Liftoffs. Jordan Access. Hell, I don't know what the hell that is. More of these Max Horas. Pittsburgh Take Ones. I was just thinking while on my way here, I was like, should I go here? Should I go to East LA? I guess I should have chosen East LA. I don't know. But we're gonna hit them up right after. Got Witness 6s. Blasting the music too. I haven't heard that. I haven't seen that here. All right, Flat Trap 5s. Hirachis. Another one of these. Not seen much, dude. 2090s. Dude, got these. Remember we seen these cheap, like hella cheap at Watts and Torrance. Regular price. These regular price as well. Jordan 1 Low Golf. Did get one of these for the nephews. These feel dope. All right, I am giving up on the sneaker section. Apparel section, only 20% off. We've been seeing 40% off at a lot of the other spots. Man, I don't know about this spot though. I do not know about this spot. I haven't been here in quite some time, so I wanted to check it out. Man, I might have to stop by some other spots. Dude, got these right here, large, $30. Oh, this is XL though. $30 for the sweats right here. You do get 20 off on top of that. Is that a PSG? Yeah, that's a PSG t-shirt. That's pretty fire. I don't know the price though. I don't see a price tag on either of these. Come on now. Seems like they have a soccer section here. Okay. These are going for 30. Oh, 25 right here. These are 30, so everything's different. I am checking the sale section. Ooh, a USA soccer jersey. This is fire. Oh, this is a double XL though. Oh, triple XL. No price tag on it. Damn, dude. USA soccer shirts. That's pretty dope. $30 for those. Dang, no discounts or nothing, really? All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut my losses short. I think we're gonna have to smash out. All right, yeah, man. At least we know. At least we know, right? Dang, dude. See, this is why I lose out to some of the resellers, because most of them would just already hit up the East LA. I gotta check this store out. I know most of the resellers ain't hitting up Reebok because, you know, well, what value is there in Reebok, right? But as a collector, they got some dope stuff here sometimes. Let's go. They do cut the Superman shacks right here. Superman logo, DC logo right there. But it is regular price though. It is regular price. Material's not bad. I'm just not a big fan of Superman. I don't know. It's here, $160, but 160, 170. I don't know what they're at. They do got doorbuster deals. Oh man, we good. Then of course this is the area right here, my favorite section. What is this? I don't know what the hell this Lakers colorway. I don't know. There's a pump. I don't know. I have some question mids right here. These are fire. I just don't want to pay regular price. Material on them. Look at that leather. Super. Oh my god. This is fire. Size 12 right here. Go for regular price though. More questions. Finally got one on sale. 60% off. Size 11, 12s. Not really digging too much else right here though. Do got some of the Street Fighter Shaq attacks here though. Champion Edition, that was one of the best ones too, man. Man, I remember when this game first came out, oh my god, this was like, oh my god, man, these were getting so many of my quarters at the arcade, 7-Elevens, just anywhere where they had it. I didn't have a Super Nintendo like that, so man, dude, these are fire. I don't know about $200 though. I don't know about 2 bills. Don't know about 2 bills. Damn, dude, can I get these on sale somewhere? I like the box alone. I kind of want this just for the box alone, man. They got Vega getting his butt whooped right there. But yeah, I like this just for the nostalgia, man. This is just fire. This full price though. They got the Insta Pump Fury version right here. 2 bills? Damn. The Nano X2 version. Okay. And then the Superman Shack Attacks. They got some more right here. The DC collab section, I guess, right here. I don't know what the hell this is. LX 2200. Oh, this going for regular price, huh? Wonder Woman version right here. Just the 85 Classics. The Joker version. This is actually not bad. This is actually one of the more doper ones, especially at $100. Then one of the Workout Plus version right here. Harley Quinn has her own. Okay, this ain't bad, I guess. That's not too shabby. I'm just not digging that regular price though. This is what I am wearing. The pumps, kind of like a Niners colorway. I think technically it's a Power Rangers one, but I don't care what y'all say. This is a Niners colorway. Dude, look at that. Got the gold, got the red, black, white. Got these for what, $70, something like that? Hella cheap. And then I did say Niners colorway, so of course I'm wearing a Niners jersey. I thought about it. I was like, dang it, the jersey is a Nike jersey. So is this allowed? Reebok, Nike? I usually don't mix brands like that, but it is a jersey. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. All right, we are gonna check out the clearance section real quick. I don't foresee much. I have not been seeing anything, especially in my size. These Insta Pump Furies going for 105. It is 60% off. Everything in the clearance section. Size 11. The hair collab, the classic leathers. What is this? What is this? Classic leather. Size 90. That's an 8.5. Did I say 8.5? That's a size 11. $85. $89. My bad. 89, 97. 60 off on top of that though. Not really seen too much dope stuff. The Insta Pump Furies 10.5 go for 130. Looney Tunes collab. Man, they just having collabs with like everybody, dude. 185 for these. Size 10 Insta Pump Fury. Like the Looney Tunes, I just think collabs need to make sense. Like who is that geared towards? Like kids? Like do kids even watch Looney Tunes anymore? I don't know. Classic leathers. 95 for those. More classic leathers go for 80. That's not bad. Checking out the huge sizes. There's an Answer 4 right here. 125, 60% off. That's probably the best deal here. Holy crap. 60% off on top of that. So that's under $60. Size 14, but other than that, just not seeing much. Instant Pump Furies. I don't see anything too dope. I think we're gonna have to wrap it up, yo. Man. I do need some apparel. But I need Reebok apparel, man. I got some pumps, I got some stuff, but no apparel to match with it. But not today, dude. I'm kind of in a hurry, kind of in a time crunch. Gotta hit up a couple spots and then go home and go do some stuff. So, all right, let's go. I just realized I was in such a hurry. That's the DS lacing. That's how they laced it. Dude, lacing's all sloppy. Damn, I need to relace these. They're feet, man. So it happens when you're in a hurry, man.